How to use ScaleOrder. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use ScaleOrder. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now ScaleOrder is a website that you can use for dropshipping, and they have tons of different services. For example, you can see right here they have dropshipping, Amazon SFP, we've got Amazon FBA, product customization, global warehousing, and inventory sync as well. So you can go ahead and select whatever option you want. We're going to be focusing on a few different options over here. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and click on the sign up button over here, or you can click on the start your journey button for free over here. Next, over here, you can see you have your sign up option right here. So just simply fill out this form, first name, last name, email address, password, and then click on the sign up for free button. Or if you already have an account, you can also use Shopify and, Ecwid as well. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and I will catch you guys in a sec. And then you should be good to go. Now we can go ahead and log in. I've created an account. They sent me a verification email, so make sure you verify it. To verify it, then you can just simply go ahead and log in. And here we go. So we are now good to go. So we can see this is our dashboard. We have our affiliates over here, order, warehouse, products, and find products over here. So we should be good to go. So we can see right here, we have shipping time over here. These are some recommended apps over here. All of the other applications and all of the other data is available over here as well. First things first, we need to go ahead and add our products. So we can go ahead and add products by, adding in the import list over here, or clicking on find products over here. So here you got a bunch of different products. These are all popular products across many different channels like AliExpress or any other website like that. So this one actually looks pretty cool. This is a gift desktop water fountain. Pretty cool. It could be a really nice gift for someone as well. So we can add that to our product list. So to do that, we just simply hit the add to import list over here. We can see it's done. It's added over here. Then we click on the product section and then click on the import list. Here we will have all the products that are necessary, and next we can go ahead and just simply edit it out. So we have our title over here. It's pretty long, so we can go ahead and make it smaller. Like for example, we can go with instead of gift, we'll go with desktop water fountain, or instead of portable, we'll go with tabletop water fountain. That looks much better. That's a better name than a desktop water fountain. So tabletop water fountain. And yeah, that I don't think we need the rest. This is pretty simple. We can add tags over here like a fountain, water fountain, tabletop, counter, gift, whatever. And then we can add the type over here. We have variants over here. We can see there are two variants. I think the only difference is the color. Other than that, they're both very similar. So both are priced at the same. We can increase or change the price if we want. Images are going to be available over here. You can go ahead and select which type of image you want, which you don't. I don't know if it's loading up or there are no images. There would be, but it's fine. And then we have our description over here. Here we can see all the images as well. So yeah, there we go. We can edit it out, of course, by just simply clicking on it and just moving it around, deleting stuff, and we should be good to go. Next, we can import it to our store. You can see right here, if we click on import to store, we don't have a store yet, so we can go ahead and add that in a sec. So what I'll do now is I'll save it over here. We should be good to go. So if we click on settings, here we have store. Here we can see no store is available. We can go ahead and create and connect one of the following stores like BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, Ecwid, eBay, Amazon. You can go ahead and select whichever one you want, and then you can go ahead and connect it. So for this one, I'll go with a Ecwid. I believe I have a store, so I'm going to go ahead and log into Ecwid. Actually, we're going to go with Shopify because I already have an account on Shopify as well, so I'm going to go with that. So to connect Shopify, we're going to log into our Shopify store, right? So as you can see, I'm logged in, and we're going to go ahead and add the application over here. I'm going to go into Shopify App Store. When we click over here, it'll open up the App Store. Then here, we're going to search for ScaleOrder. When you found the application, just simply hit the install button, and then just simply hit the install button over here. Finalize what you want. So I'll just go with that. Click on continue, and how do you marketing for sales? We got all these different options. We'll skip this. We don't really need to. So next, we just simply hit the install button. Since we've already logged into the ScaleOrder, we've already created an account and everything, we should be good to go. And then over here, there we go. Connect your store. Pretty simple. I believe it's done. So let's go ahead and check it out. Go into my products, and here we go. So these are some examples that I already had on my store. And then here we have our import list, and it's empty, but we can import it later. So just to confirm, if I come over here into products, yep, these are some of the examples that I have. So it is now connected, and it was as simple as that. So now we can go into find products. and we can just simply, select the products that we want. So we selected the fountain, but I'm thinking maybe we find something else. So let's go with leather jackets or anything leather. Search for that, see what we get. So we got all these different options: cowhide, genuine leather. Over there we got some count coin pouches. We've got like a chest package over here, fanny pack. This one actually looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and click over here, or just simply hit the add to import list. This is the information tab, of course. Once it's added to the import list, we can go ahead and click on it. And here we go, multi-pocket fanny pack. Go with that. We have our variants over here. We can select which one we want. Images over here, description over here. Once everything looks good, then we hit the import to store, and it is now importing. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's imported, should be good to go. It is now imported. Congratulations. So now if we come over here into our store, reload the page, we should have our store. Let me go ahead and reload it again. Products, there we go. We now have our product right here. So it was as simple as that. So this is how we can go ahead and, import products from ScaleOrder directly into our Shopify store or any other store we want. So again, we can go with other options as well. We have some warehouses where we can keep our inventory, shipment, outbounds as well. We have orders over here. We can go ahead and ScaleOrder, where we can go ahead and bulk order over here, process everything. We have our affiliates over here and everything. So it was as simple as that. Once it's available over here, we can go ahead and, put it in the channels. We can see it's already done that as well. So it's pretty cool. So now we should have all of our products available over here, and we can see over here. So you can see some of the prices over here are different, but we can change that. As I said before, when we are importing the product within our store, we have the option to go ahead and edit the product details, so you can go ahead and do that. And of course, there's not a lot of limit to how many products you can go ahead and import. You can go ahead and go crazy, but make sure you do your research, check out which products are selling hot, which products are worth it, and yeah, it's as simple as that.
So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.